Master the go for phrasal verb like a pro. Hello, language explorers. Today's session is going to be exciting as we are delving into the world of English phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on go for. This common phrasal verb is used in various contexts, and we're going to understand them all by the end of this video. So, buckle up. Before diving in, let's remind ourselves what a phrasal verb is. It's a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. Together, they create a meaning different from the original verb. Our guest today, go for, is one such phrasal verb. It consists of the verb, go, and the preposition, for. Now, let's break down go for. It can have various meanings, like deciding to do something, liking something or someone, or even choosing. You might hear people using go for in several ways, and the context will often help you figure out its meaning. Time to see go for in action. Here are a few examples. 1. Go for a decision. I decided to go for the chocolate cake instead of the vanilla. 2. Go for a liking. I really go for long walks on the beach. 3. Go for a choice. If there are vegetarian options, I usually go for one. From these examples, you can see how versatile go for can be. Practice makes perfect. It's your turn now. Try creating sentences using go for in the 3 ways we've discussed today. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become using go for in your daily English conversations. That wraps up our session on the phrasal verb go for. We hope you found this useful and are more confident in understanding and using this common phrasal verb. Keep exploring, keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey. So enjoy the ride. Until next time, happy learning.